me, Niecy J. Today I want to come to you with November favorites. Some of my favorite products for November. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Today I have a few products that I would like to bring to you. First and foremost, I want to go ahead and tell you, because a lot of times when I do these videos, I get a lot of questions on my lipstick. So I'm going to start off with my lipstick for the month. I've been wearing this one a lot lately. It just gives that wintry, fall-y type, look. And it is by Milani. I love matte lipsticks. So this is a Milani matte, liquid matte, and it is in shade number 41. Let me see. Gotta put these glasses on. And shade, number 41, Fabulous. That is the name. This is how it looks right here. Let me show you. So yeah, it is a matte and I love it. Love it. Okay, so now that is out of the way. So now I have a lot of products. Well, it's not a lot. A few products that I have been simply in love with for the month of November. It's kind of the end of October and November. So these are some of the products that I've been using a lot lately. I had a company that came. They asked me did I want to try one of their products, and it was sea moss. Okay. So this is it right here. It's by, let me see, Herbal Vineyard Wildcraft Sea Moss Gel. Okay, this is it right here. This is how it looks. Let me just show you. Before this company ever contacted me, I was into the sea moss. My brother turned me on to it, okay? So he sent me some, and I was making it up myself. So this is how the actual sea moss look. I have it in my little baggie because this is one I was gonna go ahead and make it. You have to boil this down. Use the right amount of water, boil it down, and then have to pour it in your jars, let it sit for a little bit, then pour it in the jars and put it in the refrigerator. It's a process, okay? It's a process to get it like to this consistency, okay? But I was doing it myself. So this is what my brother said. This is one of them. My husband and I, we actually like the sea moss. So let me tell you a little bit about sea moss. And this is it's falling all over. This is how it looks in its rawest state, okay? This is how the sea moss look. So let me put it back in this bag because it's dropping everywhere. But I just wanted to show you that I have been using sea moss and I love it. It is so beneficial for the body. But let me tell you a little bit about what sea moss is. It says sea moss is a type of seaweed that contains 92 of 102 essential minerals for the human body. This makes it one of the most powerful superfoods on earth. Reduce inflammation, detoxifies the body, immunity booster, has vitamin C, B, B12, K, and A in it, okay? And it produces collagen, ideal for healthy skin, improvement of mental functions. It says for men and women, and it's great for thyroid balance, okay? So actually what you do, you mix 1 to 2 tablespoons into like a drink that you like. And see, I always drink coffee. So what I did when I would make all this stuff up, oh my goodness, it's a process, I'm telling you. So when they reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to try this sea moss gel? And I'm like, okay, gel that's already made up. And my gel usually comes out just like this consistency. And this is all natural. I like it. I was so like, oh my goodness. So I've been using it. My husband and I have been using it. What I do is take about a tablespoon or 2. It looks like this, okay? Let me just show you. It looks like kind of like a applesauce, but a little looser than applesauce, okay? And I drink coffee all the time. And I just take it and drop it into my hot coffee. You take 1 or 2 tablespoons. Usually I take 2 tablespoons of this and melt it into hot coffee. And I drink my coffee black. I just wanted to show you this a little bit. I drink my coffee black. Now you can put it in smoothies, probably be better because smoothies are cold and you can just mix it in there. But I put it in my coffee and just mix it around like this and drink it up. This works for me. You can't even taste it. That's the good part. I drink coffee black, so it seems like I'll be able to taste something, not anything at all. So it is so good for your skin, your body, your hair. Go to Google and pull up sea moss and look at the benefits. Your body actually feels so much better when using this product. I drink it just like this. What I like is that I cannot taste it at all, okay? You guys know I love coffee. This is piping hot, and it's the best way to me to take this. They also sent me this sea moss bladder whack bird root capsules, okay? And I've been using this too. This is like a detox. So let me tell you a little bit about this. So I'm all about health food type products, and I was all for this. Let's see, detox and cleanse. It helps thyroid. It boosts thyroid, boost immunity support, strengthens joints, and it's anti-aging. And you guys know I'm 51 years old, so anything that's anti-aging, I am all for. Sea moss, look it up. You will want to use some sea moss. Everything you need is in the description box below. Okay, so the next favorite product that I am loving this month, we're gonna get into, let's see, the makeup. Now, I am loving this Fashion Fair foundation. Almost, look at this. I've already hit pan. Love this by Fashion Fair. This is the shade, let's see, Caramel Fresh. Love this. I did a review on this, and I'll link it up here somewhere so you can check it out. I love this new formula by Fashion Fair. The compact is a little flimsy, a little compact, but I like it, okay? It's cute, but it's not, you know, it's not a heavyweight packaging, okay? It's not heavyweight, you know, it's cute little packaging, okay? But I love the formula. Love it. I have it on today, actually. I like the way it looks on my skin. I like the way it feels on my skin. I just like the overall look of this foundation and the new formula. The formula before with Fashion Fair used to make me look orange. This one does not. I actually really like this. So I've been using this a lot by Fashion Fair. So yes, and I will again link that review that I did right up here. Yeah. And the next items that are on the list, my favorite products, skincare products now. CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid and the CeraVe Retinol Serum. I did a review on these, link it up here somewhere, but I love this. These are affordable products, but they work. Very, very effective. So I've been using this hyaluronic acid every day. You guys know hyaluronic acid is one of my favorite all-time ingredients. I love hyaluronic acid, especially during this time, because what hyaluronic acid does, it goes in and it locks the moisture into your skin. A lot of times when you go outside and you have just moisturized, and your moisture will just go right on out there in the open and your skin starts to feel dry. That's because you don't use anything that lock that moisture in. You know, a lot of people use maybe like an oil, you know, to seal that moisture in, but you can also use a serum like hyaluronic acid, and that's what I love about it. It helps keep that moisture locked into your skin. And retinol helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps to protect the skin and helps to rejuvenate that skin. Now I use retinol at night. This one says you can use it during the daytime, but I never use retinol during the daytime. I always use retinol at night, and in the day I always use a sunscreen, especially when I use retinol. I use sunscreen anyway, but really if you do not use sunscreen on a regular, which you should, if you use retinol, definitely make sure you apply your sunscreen to your skin in the day, okay? So yeah, these two products, I love them. Okay, so next on the list, I have a few hair products that I am loving this month. Okay, and this one is by pH Natural. It is the Go Heat Protector. Let me put on my glasses. Lord, let me see. It says hair heat protectant scalp, and you can use it as a body oil as well, but I use it for my hair. I love it. It's very lightweight. It's by my girl pH Naturals. Hey Pam. But yeah, love this. I talked about her before on my channel. She has a line out. It has been featured now in Walmart and some other department stores, so I'm so happy for her. You better go ahead, girl. But yes, she sent this to me about a few months ago, a while ago, and I always like to use this on my hair in the winter, because this is the time where I kind of blow my hair out. I may flat out it a little bit, and this is like a twist out with it being blown out, okay? So I like to use this oil first before I use any kind of heat on my hair, and it's very lightweight. It absorbs right into my hair. It protects my hair, and I love it. This is how it looks right here. And some of the ingredients she has in this, it says sapphire oil, olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, avocado oil, and sunflower oil. So yes, I love this. Very lightweight. And I will have the link to this in the description box below, but yeah, love it. All the products that I talk about, I will have them featured in the description box, and if you want to click on the link, it should take you right there to the products, okay? So yeah, pH Naturals by Pam. Love this. Another hair product is by John Frieda. Now this is actually, it says volume length, full, fine to full, blowout spray. It says volume and lift without the weight, with air silk technology for fine and flat hair. Okay, so yeah, my hair's fine, but it's gotten a little thicker. I'm so glad. That's what it looks like. And it says achieve full body volume that's soft to the touch, formulated with air silk technology. Our lightweight formula will give you root to tip volume. Okay, and I like this a lot. Very lightweight. I like products that leaves my hair with a little bit of movement when I apply it on, you know. So yeah, love this. Very, very lightweight. Love John Frieda products. Always have. Loved it. Another hair product that I've been really into these hair products lately because I'm wearing my hair like this for a little bit. This is by Curlsmith. Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream. Okay, here it is right here. This I used when I twisted my hair. I applied a little bit, just a little bit on each little twist, and I did like flat twist all over. Added a perm rod at the end, and I used this, and I liked the way it came out. So I've been doing that almost every night, just retwisting my hair. I apply a little bit of this, and then rod the ends, you know, and I like it. I like the way it comes out. Yeah, I like this look a lot. So I like the way my hair just look and feels. It's not greasy. It's very lightweight, but it looks moisturized. That's what I like. So yeah, really like this oil in cream by Curlsmith. Their products are so great to me. I love them. Now I'm talking about some of the products that I've been using for my body. You know, the weather is cooler, and yeah, my skin is dry. I have dry skin, not on my face, but my body as well. So one of the creams that I have fallen in love with for my body is by CeraVe The Moisturizing Cream. It says 3 essential ceramides for normal to dry skin, moisturizes and help restore the skin protective barrier. Okay, it looks like this, just like a white cream. You can't really see it because it's white, but yeah, really, really a great moisturizing all over your body cream by CeraVe. Let me show you. Let me read a little bit of this. It says, developed with dermatologist's unique formula with 3 essential ceramides, moisture, and helps restore the protective skin barrier. It has hyaluronic acid in it, helps retain skin natural moisture, fragrance free, and it won't clog your pores. Okay, apply liberally as often as needed or as directly by a physician. Avoid eyes, enrich thoroughly with water. So you can use this. I use this on my face, and you can use this on your body. Okay, so yeah, moisturizing creams like this, I like to use on my body as well. So this is a big jar. If you like moisturizers and you're sensitive, you can use this on your face as well as your body. Okay, I have 2 more body products, and another one is by Caprari. Okay, I love this, love this, love this. This is the coconut milk. Okay, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, it looks like this, but when you pull it up, it just melt. It's melting already. When you pull it up like this, it looks like this. Okay, but it melts to the touch as soon as you apply it. And I love it. I like the way it just melts onto the skin. It doesn't just lay there on top. It actually absorbs into your skin. So very hydrating. Look at it, it just absorbs into your skin. This is by Caprari. Oh, I love their products. And they have a lightly scented coconut, like a real coconut smell. I like this a lot. Let me just show you how this product look. It says non-GMO, cruelty-free, and it's vegan. It doesn't leave your skin looking or feeling greasy. It just melts and absorbs into your skin and hydrates your skin immediately. I love that. Without a greasy feeling. Look at that. Love that. and your skin feels moisturized and hydrated immediately. So I also have the lotion, the body milk. Love that as well. This is Capare coconut milk, and it has coconut oil in it. Here it is right here. Let's see if I can put a little bit on here. So, oh my goodness, and it smells so good. My husband loves this as well because he has a little ashy skin too, dry, and he likes to use this as well. Very, very rich, hydrating. Love, love, love Capare products. They have some of the best products to me. Oh, they smell so good. This smells fresh and clean, like a nice coconut, light coconut smell. Nothing strong, like pungent in your face. Really light. And I just like their products. I like the quality of their products. So yeah, this is the coconut milk by Capare. Now, last but certainly not least, this is a cleaning product that I love. My mom picked it up actually, and I've been using it ever since. I love it, love it, love it. Purchased me some, and it is the Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray. Okay. So my husband washed the dishes. He doesn't like to use the dishwasher, which is more power to him. If he wants to wash them, so be it. But like if I'm cleaning up, if I cook something and I want to just wash it real quick, so you won't have a lot of dishes in the sink, I just spray this on like a pan or plate or whatever the surface is, spray it on and let it sit for a little bit and wipe it right out. This is so good, okay? I love this. My husband likes it as well. Let me just show you this. I love cleaning products and things like this that make your life a little easier. It says 5 times faster grease cleaning. Direction for use. Use in place of your normal dish soap. Scrape off excess food from your dishes. Do not soak in the water. Full squeeze trigger and spray directly on dishes for fast, continuous coverage. So this is one of the products that we've been using a lot. November, I was gonna say this month, but no, it was in November around Thanksgiving time. He cleaned up all the dishes and things, and this was a big help to him. So yes, love this by Dawn. So that is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and interesting. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel on your way out if you haven't done so already, and thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my video. Peace and love until next time. Bye.